สวัสดีค่ะ everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to cook a Thai chicken omelette recipe. Most of the time, we serve Thai omelette with rice and we have Prik Nam Pla on the side. This Thai sauce isn't specifically served with an omelette Thai style, but it's a pretty common condiment in Thailand. So, I decided to show you how to make it as well. We are going to start with making quickly the Prik Nam Pla sauce. If you want to skip straight to the omelette part, you can check the chapters. First, let's chop some chillies for the spiciness. Many people think that Prik Nam Pla is just a fish sauce with chillies, but in fact, it's more than just that. You will know very soon. I will use red chillies and green chillies, nothing to do with the taste, but it just gives it a better color. In addition to the chillies, I am also going to add some slices of garlic. Prik Nam Pla is, as I said earlier, a table condiment that's served with almost every Thai dishes because it's really tasty and goes well with a lot of different dishes. Next, I will add a thinly sliced shallot. Another ingredient that makes Prik Nam Pla very tasty is fresh lime juice, so I will add that as well to contrast the flavor. I will use lime juice for about 1 tablespoon with 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. And an extra tip, add a pinch of sugar and a pinch of MSG as well. Perfect! Give it a mix until the sugar is dissolved. Then add all the previously chopped ingredients. Mix it a little bit and done. Set it aside. Now the condiment is done, it's time to start making our chicken omelette. This is going to be super simple and straightforward. I'm going to add 2 eggs. This recipe reminds me about when I was a kid. It's the dish that I was asking my grandma to cook all the time. After that, I'm going to add ground chicken. And I will season this with fish sauce. Some sweetness with oyster sauce. I don't know for you guys, but I hate oyster sauce. Not the taste, but the fact that it's always so difficult to get it out of the bottle or the bowl. Is it just me? For real, if anybody has a cooking trick or tip, please tell me in the comments. I'm also going to add some chopped green onions for freshness and because it makes the dish look prettier. A pinch of white pepper powder. I want to have some smell of spice, but it's totally optional. Or you can use black pepper instead. Now, are you ready to work out your arm for a few minutes? Very difficult. We will beat everything up. Beat until the meat is separated. We don't want any big chunks of meat in here. That would make lumps in the omelette. Another thing that you can beat up, the like button. Go hard on it, don't be shy. Now, I just show you the beginner way to beat up eggs. Are you ready for the professional version? What do you mean the video is speeded up? No, it's not. I'm going to use my non-stick wok, but a pan is fine too. Just choose a pan that has a size you want your omelette to be. And that's it. All we have left to do is cooking it. Then add oil, and once it's hot, you can pour the egg and their mixture in. When the bottom side is firm enough and browned enough, flip the whole thing. Unfortunately, I don't have any footage of this part because I forget to press the record button. After that, let the other side cook for a few minutes until it's firm and brown, same as the first side. And we can turn off the heat now because the residual heat from the wok will keep everything cooking. Prepare your rice because a Thai omelette without steamed rice isn't a real Thai omelette. Gently put the omelette on top of the rice like this. Decorate a bit and here we go. A very simple and easy dish but so yummy. This can be served for lunch, dinner or even breakfast if you like. When I was a kid, I loved to have it for my breakfast. This is not my first omelette on this channel. You can also go have a look at my omelette with Thai sweet basil You will love it. If you want to see another kind of Thai eggs recipe, check out this one. It's spicy pickled egg in soy sauce. Very yummy. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video and chop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you on Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย